Yeah, so I've just had one down here today. So. Yeah, and you. Is Jeff driving? He's on there, yeah. Right, yeah. I worked about 4 o'clock and then I got to be finished at 5. I got to go because I said I've been along. Yeah.
Hello and welcome to a video of the Somerset and Dorset Railway. Now, you may be wondering why I'm at the Somerset and Dorset Railway, because surely the Somerset and Dorset Railway has closed. Well, I invented a time machine, yes. It's definitely not that some volunteers restored the railway, it's that I invented a time machine. And I've gone back in time to see a Ginty pull a Mark 1 and a brake van, as well as that little Sentinel engine run alongside of it. This Ginty was made, just a minute. It was made in 1926, quite a long time ago, by the Falcon Foundry Limited, Newton Lee Willows, Lancaster. It's a bit rusty. Oh, just a minute. A bit rusty and a bit loud. Well, it's a bit rusty and a bit loud, but what do you expect from British Railways days? They didn't keep their locomotives in very good condition, did they? And that's the valve gear inside of it. Very nice. The cylinders will be down there. See if I can... Yeah, there's the cylinder chest down there. And they're the wheels. Because obviously it needs wheels. It's in British Railway colours, because I've gone back to the 1960s. So 50 years ago when it was about to close down. Yes. So it's almost closing now. It's probably one of the last trains. Not one of the first trains ever to run after 50 years, but one of the last trains to run for 50 years, because I've definitely gone back in time, yeah. That's an oily thing to put all the oil in, to oil it. The glass is a bit smashed.
What? Look at that. Oh, that must be up there, yeah.
I do believe that we missed the first train. It's got like a metal plate on the back. I'm not entirely sure what that is. Unless we've got people in the cab of that Sentinel, there's not much point in going all the way up the line and back again, unless it's time in between the train going out and coming back in again. When the sentinel comes, I can go like film it going past. What do you mean, train enthusiasts? Look at it. They're not anorak. Going to a colliery or a factory sign or something. We're going to open a factory or colliery. Single track. Let's sleep on the railway. Ram it off the rails. Ram it off the rails. No, don't stop. Ram the diesel off the track. The same sort of tape on the two sides.